huge surrender of arms in Manipur. The governor Ajay Bhalla, he did give an ultimatum to both the groups in the hills and the valleys to surrender their arms. As a result of which, huge number of arms and ammunition have been submitted, have been surrendered. None other than the Arambai Tangol, the radical group of the Metis, they also surrendered on Thursday. They also surrendered huge amounts of arms and ammunition. This was the major problem in Manipur, that common people and insurgents group and radical group, they were having huge quantity of arms and ammunition in their hand. They were having huge number of weapons in their hand. So the governor, rightly after President's rule, there was a request from Ajay Bhalla. Not only that, he met with the Kuki people, he also met with the Methi people, he met with the Arambai Tengol, and all together, this is something, the first 48 hours of President's rule, we have seen a 20% jump in surrendering of arms and ammunition and recovering of arms and ammunition. And then Ajay Bhalla, he gave a statement and he said that arms and ammunition have to be surrendered, and that's what the request of the governor is. After that, there is going to be a major crackdown. And he said that for the development of Manipur, to bring peace in Manipur, this was required. And also, he met both the groups and tried to convince both the groups. Both the groups had their own points, had their own statements and had their own logic, and they had also put some conditions to drop their arms. So a lot of things put together. This is a very, very, very positive point that's coming out from Manipur. And also we know that the former Chief Minister, the caretaker Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, he has also supported this movement of surrendering the arms. That's a very big achievement from President rule of Manipur. Peace is there. There is no untoward incidents reported from anywhere in Manipur. Now what is required is the political dialogue. Definitely the President's rule is proving to be very positive at this point of time, since there is a huge amount of arms and ammunition that has been surrendered by the radical groups, and also a lot of crackdowns has taken place.